and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day we start our coding journey of the AI assistant of Iron Man. Yeah, you guessed it right, the Jarvis. Without any further ado, let's start the video. Go. Okay guys, welcome back to the screen. Before we start with our Python journey, please consider subscribing our channel for more videos, and let's hope for 10 likes for the next part. Web browser and type visualstudio.com, or you can go in the link in description. You can download the Visual Studio Code and run it. Secondly, you need Python installed in your PC or laptop. To install, click on the first link in the description or go to web browser and type python.org. Click on the first link and download the latest version. For Windows, it is Python 3.11.10. Download and install it into your computer. Okay. Now go to your desktop and make a file named Jarvis. As you can see, I have made a file. I'll just rename it as Jarvis, or you can give any name you want. So for example, I give it a Jarvis, and then go to your Visual Studio Code or VS Code. Click on file, open folder, go to your desktop and open the file we just made, which was Jarvis. Select folder. Okay, now you need to install some libraries. Before that, click on the plus file link you can see here and make a file named jarvis.py. okay, this will be our main file for the Jarvis project. Before that, we need to install some libraries as I mentioned earlier. These libraries will help us run our Jarvis smoothly and give it some functions like greet me and date and time functions. To install it, you can run your command prompt and type pip install and the library name, or you can just make a new file named as install.py and write some easy code. It's a one-line code. Type import pip. It's a function where you can install the libraries from Python. Go to next line and type pip.main curly brackets angular brackets apostrophe install comma pyttsx3. This will be our main library for whole project. After writing the code, go on this button and just click run. It will automatically install the library for us. As you can see, I have already installed the library. So okay, here is the error. It's main, not main. Wait a minute. Okay, so just run it. It was an error. Okay, here is the it will install if you don't have. As I have the library, so it's saying that the requirement already satisfied. So just install the library. Secondly, we need to install another library. It's named as speech recognition. Wait a minute. Speech recognition. COGNI. Speech recognition. Do the same as we did for pyttsx3. Run the file. It will auto install it for you. As I already have the file, so it will install by itself. So we will go. Okay, we will type engine is equal to pyttsx3 dot init bracket sepify. Okay, Sepify is a Microsoft assistant or voice, we can say, which we can give it to your virtual assistant and it will communicate with us. If you want to know more about Sepify, just Google it, you will get the information. Next, we will type voices is equal to engine dot get property voices. So we have imported voices in our virtual assistant from our local PC. Then we will just wait a minute. Okay, we will just type engine dot set property voices comma voices 0.id. It's a engine dot set property rate, it's wrong, rate comma 150. It is the cut. Okay, we are going to make a def function, def speak audio. It will let Jarvis speak the audio, or otherwise it will give us an error and it will just type it is a text form. We know Jarvis to speak with us, not type with us. So we will make a function def speak audio, some engine dot say audio, wait a minute, okay, engine dot say audio, then engine dot run and wait. What it will do is speak the audio and wait for some amount of time, like 2 to 3 seconds. So we have made our speak function for Jarvis. Now we will make a take command function which will take input from us and process it and give us an output from Jarvis itself. So we will type def take command, C should be capital or it will give us an error. Take command R is equal to speech recognition dot recognizer. It will recognize our voice. Then with speech recognition dot microphone angular brackets as source. So what this code is trying to say is it will take the input from our local mic as a source or input. Let me type this. Okay, with print listening. So it will listen, or we can understand what the Jarvis is trying to do. So we are typing listening, print listening, then r dot pause underscore threshold. It will pause for 1 second and then give us output. R dot energy underscore threshold equal to 300. So 300 is a input volume, or we can say the range. 300 is a range of our input voice. It's a normal range of a human voice or recognition. Then we will type audio is equal to r dot listen bracket source comma 0 comma 4. Okay. Then we are going to make a try function. Try print understand. What we have just spoke, it will understand it first and then give us output. So print understanding, or you can give anything you want, it's up to you, as we are making a Jarvis fully automatic. Okay, print understanding query is equal to r dot recognize Google. It's the best engine for recognizing in a AI Assistant bracket audio comma language is equal to English Indian EN IN. You can give it a Hindi, or as we are Indian, so we just type EN dash IN, English Indian English for short. Then okay, expect exception as E. print, say that again please, say that again please. Okay, return none, return none. It will give us no output. It will just, if it doesn't recognize our voice, it will just say that again please. Then we'll just go and return query. So here is the first part of the Jarvis. So we'll just fastly recapitulate what we have done till now. So we have imported two engine named as PurDTSX3 and speech recognition. Then we have made an engine and voice input for Jarvis, which is Sepify, and the male voice, that's 0.id. Then we have made a audio def speak audio function, which will just say the audio and run and wait for at least 3 seconds. So we have made def take command function, which will take command from our microphone and give us output. So here I have saw error which was source. So here the spelling of source is wrong, just SOURC source. Then I will just a function which is if underscore name underscore is equal to bracket underscore main underscore. While true, take query from take command which I have made dot lower, which will take command as a lower, not a capital letters. It will take as command as lower letters. Okay guys, this was the end of the first part of Jarvis. Next part will be coming next Sunday. Till that, I will share some C series and Python series will be starting soon. Consider subscribing. Till that, see you. Take care. Goodbye.